Welcome to the San Carlos Airport video series. The purpose of this series is to demonstrate how to fly the voluntary noise abatement, arrival, and departure procedures. Decreasing the impact of noise on our surrounding community is important to us. We hope these videos assist you in reducing noise impacts as much as possible as you arrive and depart the San Carlos Airport. This video depicts the northbound Bravo transition, a voluntary noise abatement procedure designed for aircraft departing runway 30 or transitioning the San Carlos Class Delta airspace with a northbound transition through the San Francisco Class Bravo airspace.
The Bravo transition north is one of the most spectacular routes we have out of the San Carlos Airport. Taking off from runway 30, we make a straight-out departure, ensuring we remain east of Highway 101 for noise abatement. If your aircraft performance allows, consider reducing your RPM once at a safe altitude. Because we are transitioning through Bravo airspace, an ATC clearance is required. We contact the San Francisco Tower to receive our clearance before the Highway 92 Highway 101 interchange, as Bravo lies just beyond. You will be instructed to stay south and west of the Bayshore Freeway, also called Highway 101, as you make your transition. It is recommended that you consult your San Francisco sectional and terminal area chart for specific details of this transition. It is formally titled the Bayshore VFR Transition and is depicted on those charts. As we maneuver to keep the Bayshore on our right, we see Coyote Point as SFO slowly comes into view. This route shows us that the city of San Francisco lies at the tip of a large peninsula, stretching northwest from San Jose, with the San Francisco Bay to our east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. You can often see aircraft awaiting departure on runway 28 left and right. Occasionally, we will be asked to hold over the Millbrae BART station. That is usually to sequence us between the aircraft departures we saw awaiting takeoff on runway 28. The hold is simply a left 360 around the BART station. Notice how we remain west of the 101 freeway during the turn. You can see how close we are to the departing aircraft on runway 01 at SFO. As we begin our left 360, notice Crystal Springs Reservoir nestled in its shallow indentation in the earth. That's the San Andreas Fault Line as it flows south along the Pacific coast. A constant reminder that Mother Nature is always watching. Unlike Icarus, we don't have to worry about our wings melting from the sun. Your passengers get a special treat as they get a bird's eye view of SFO as you round out your 360 and proceed northbound on your transition. Once cleared, we now continue along the freeway as it winds its way across the departure path of runway 28 and over San Bruno Mountain. At this low altitude, San Bruno Mountain acts as our own fault line, separating the full splendor of the Golden Gate, the entrance to the San Francisco Bay, and the beauty that lies within. We now begin to see the sheer beauty of the San Francisco Bay Area. Behind Twin Peaks, we will soon see the Golden Gate Bridge. The Bay Bridge is visible as we see Mount Tamalpais in the distance. Be sure to keep the Sutro Tower well abeam on your left. It's the highest obstacle in San Francisco. The Bay Bridge passes through Yerba Buena Island, and Treasure Island lies behind. The Bravo Transition North is a cornucopia of visual delights.
Thank you for watching the San Carlos Airport video series, Bravo Transition North. Be sure to watch the other videos in our Fly Friendly series. Have a nice day, and remember, fly safe, fly friendly.